Keystone's round XFit LED canopies, essential for parking lots, covered walkways, and low bay areas. With Keystone's innovative OpticSwap system, just twist off the installed lens and twist on the new one. No special tools required. For extra safety, our pressure disconnect switch automatically shuts off power to the fixture. You can switch between 160-degree optic lenses for parking areas and 110-degree optics for low bay environments in seconds. Keystone's Power Select lets you select the right power output with 3 different wattages on each fixture, and further tailor your lighting with Color Select, offering 3 color temperature options: 5000, 4000, and 3000 Kelvin. Plus, the built-in photocell sensor for automated lighting response helps you enhance energy efficiency. And Keystone canopies are designed for use with Keystone's SmartLoop wireless lighting control system, ensuring compatibility with RF, microwave, and motion sensors for intelligent lighting management. The canopies come in 2 sizes, 9 inches and 10 inches, and are available in bronze or white finishes to seamlessly conform to the job site. And secure the install process with Keystone's easy hang brackets, allowing the fixture to have universal mounting for direct mount to a J-box, surface mount box, or with a trunnion mount. And of course, all Keystone canopy fixtures include a Keystone driver. With fixture and driver from the same company, you're guaranteed compatibility and superior performance. Our canopies are also available in square form factors, with adjustable power and CCT outputs. Keystone always has you covered with round XFit LED canopies. That's Keystone. Light made easy.